My name's Hector, and I just completed a counterbalance training course here at Counterbalance Forklift Training, and yeah, it was absolutely brilliant. We had an instructor, Ollie, who did a wonderful job. He made it fun, engaging, and he was very patient with us. Also, the instructional video is very good, and I think just in general the actual exercises that we did built up really well throughout the time here, and made us all good drivers and learned how to do it correctly and safely.